right? So here I have started with what is binary search. Binary search is again a kind of search. Why its name is binary? Because this is based on a principle called as divide and conquer, and it is being divided. Search area is being divided, or the array of elements that are being searched for a particular element. Comparison then search. They are divided into two parts every time. So it is divided and conquer kind of thing, right? This is policy of Britishes ruled over India. So again, the same thing is applied over in mathematical things also. So it works by starting search in the middle. Every time we have to compare our to be searched element with the middle element of given array. Okay, so our element will be compared with the middle element. If it is same, our element is same as the middle element of array, that means element was found. If our element is larger than the middle element of array, then element will be present on the right side, right half of the array, right? For example, you can see in this also, if you are trying to search any element and middle element is 39, suppose you are searching 40, so 40 cannot be before 39 on the left side, right? Before means on the left side, after means on the right side, because we are actually moving from left to right in a general way. So any element that is larger than middle element, every time it will be present on the right half portion of array, right? And if element is smaller that you are trying to search in the given array, then it will be present on the left half of the portion. And every time your list will be divided by 2, approximately divided by 2, right? Not exactly, but approximately it will be divided by 2. As you can see, I'm searching for these different values of x, like 6, 92, and 5. So first I'm trying to find 6, where 6 is existing in my given array at which position, right? I know it is second element placed at index value 1. Second element, right? First is 3, second is 6. So how I'll get that 6 result? So what is the mathematical representation? First I'm telling you the same thing. Then I'll create program, and again I'll compare both program, mathematical logic with program. So how you will start with? You have to start with 3 values. First value, actually what is given to you? Again array is given, again element is given that you want to search, right? So when array is given, that means all the indexes are given. And since you want to compare with the middle element, so you want to find the middle index of the array. So how middle index can be found? First index plus last index divided by 2 is the middle index. So every time we have to find the middle index, right, or middle subscript. So first index is supposed stored in f variable, last index is stored in L variable. So middle index, mid, is calculated like f plus L by 2. So initially complete array is given to us. So f value is 0, L value is 9, right? There are 10 elements, so L value will be n minus 1. First value will be 0 always. So what will be middle value? Middle index value, 0 plus 9 by 2, that is 4. What is the element stored at middle value? A4 is 39, right? So now you will compare your element with 39. Okay. So 6 is smaller than 39. That means 6 will be in the left side of given array. That means 39 onwards array is useless for searching 6, because 6 is smaller than middle and all the elements are in sorted order. So if you know this is smaller than middle, so obviously it cannot be present on right side of the middle, right? It will be present on the left half of the middle. So now your array is to be searched array, or you can say search area. So this is array is actually search area. So now search area is divided into 2 almost, right? Middle was actually compared already. It is not equal to middle. So middle is excluded and it is smaller than middle. So what are the elements? These are the elements in your search area, right? So keep this array again, write it again. So I have written it again, right? So A0 is 3, A1 is 6, A2 is 11, and A3 is 24. Now this is my search area where I have to search 6. So you can see your area is divided. First area was having 10 elements. Now area is having 4 elements. So this is divided by 2. Because of this reason, we call it binary search, right? So now again, same procedure will be applied. Your element will be compared with the middle element. So you have to find middle element. F is 0 and L is now 3. Earlier L was what? L was 9, right? Remember this thing also. This is also logical. Earlier L was 9. Now L is 3, right? Now L is 3. So L is modified. You can see whenever your element is smaller than middle element, that means you are going to traverse or visit among left side portion, then your F will not change. Earlier F was 0, now still F is 0. But earlier L was 9, now L is 3. So you can also understand that this 3 is just before 4, and what was 4? 4 was middle. So actually your L is mid minus 1. Are you getting my point? Your L is mid minus 1. Mid was 4 earlier in complete array, and now in next iteration L is before middle. So before middle means mid minus 1. Okay. So when you are moving to the left half, F will not be changed. L will be changed to mid minus 1. Are you understanding this point? Right? L is mid minus 1. Okay. So now we have found our 6 and search is completed. Nice. So now next time, now I want to search, suppose instead of 92, let me search 99. Again, I am considering this same case, right? You should note down it. So I am changing now. So now my X is 99. I have to start with the same procedure, right? I have to start with the same procedure. So these things I will delete now. And accordingly I will change. So I am now trying to search 99 in my complete array, right? I know 99 is present at this place, but my procedure must be like similar previously I have done. So X is 99. So again I will find middle. Middle is same 39. Now I have to compare 99 with 39, right? 99 is bigger or larger than middle element 39. That means where will be 99? 99 will be in the right half of given array, right? 99 will be in the right half of given array. So what will be your array now? Your array will have these 5 elements. Now your array will be like this, and index positions will be like this, right? Same thing I have copied.
अटेंडेंस हो गई है
Yeah?
सर अटेंडेंस हो गई है
Yes, attendance was done, Divyansh. You were absent at that time. Where were you? Connectivity issue.
sir
Okay.
sir network was there
Okay. I'll mark you present, right? You were present in
Divyansh.
previous lecture also.
Yes sir, I was
Okay.
present.
So if I'll not mark, please remind me by evening.
Okay sir.
So now I am trying to search 99, whether it is present or not, right? So compare 99 with 39. Now 99, that is actually value of X, is larger than middle element 39, right? Larger than 99 will be in the right half of the given array, and now my array is this, in which I have to search 99, right? Since it is on the right side, so now what will be F? Tell me please, what will be F and L for this iteration? Akash Singh, batao beta, what will be F now?
Mid plus 1.
अरे अभी एरे सामने है, मिड प्लस 1 क्या बता रहे हो? बताओ तो, कैलकुलेट करके बताओ, सामने लिखा हुआ है तो मिड प्लस 1 फार्मूला बता रहे हैं 5. ये एरे आ गया ना, अब इसमें तो सर्च करना है. तो इसका फर्स्ट इंडेक्स क्या है? 5. लास्ट इंडेक्स क्या है? 9. ठीक. फॉर एक्स वैल्यू 99 सर्च करनी है. सो मिडिल कितना होगा यहाँ पर? 5 प्लस 9 डिवाइड बाई 2, दैट इज 7. ठीक. So what will be at A7 element is 81, right? किसी को कुछ भी डाउट हो तो पूछ ले भाई, चुपचाप सोते ना रहना, लंच करके सो गए सब लोग।
नो सर।
अच्छा ठीक, अंकित जग रहा है। ठीक है, so 7 is 81. Okay, so now what will be here? Now middle element is 81. Now you have to compare 99 with 81. So I'll write here this thing. Compare 99 with 81. That is 99 is larger than middle element 81. That means 99 will be in the right half of the given array again. So इसका right half क्या होगा? These two elements are right. This is the right half. Half means right means with respect to middle element every time. So that will be the index values for the same A8 and A9. Now again I have to find that is a middle element, right? So now again I have to find middle element. That means now what will be, if I'll write this thing here, so now my middle element will be, F will be 8, L will be 9, right? Right half में हर बार जा रहा है, so F modify हो रहा है हर बार, L will be remain same as previous one. So then it will be 8 plus 9 by 2, that is again 8. This 17 by 2, 8.5, that is 8 again, right? So you can see middle element we have found 8. So what is A mid? That will be, that is this up to this point. I'll copy, right? So that will be A8 and sorry, A8 will be 92 this time, right? Now compare 99 with 92. Here again I will write this 99 with 92. Now 92 is middle element. कहीं पर भी कोई गलत लगे तुरंत बताएंगे. So 99 is again larger than 92. So 92 के राइट हाफ में होगा. अब now राइट हाफ क्या बचा इसका? सिर्फ एक एलिमेंट, तो वही ले लेते हैं. ठीक, तो इसको मैं यहाँ पर कॉपी कर लेता हूँ. Then I'll remove this thing. Right, we have only A9. A9 we have only, and within this A9, now what will be my F and L and mid? I'll calculate. So now my F will be, single element is there in array, so पहला element भी वही है, आखिरी element भी वही है, right? So middle element will be 9 plus 9 by 2, that is again 9, that is again 9. So here A mid is equal to A9, right, is equal to 99. That means now it is axis same as A mid found, search stopped. So 99 we have got. Okay, if you are writing, please write it down properly. Now I am going to find the element that is absent. Okay, so absent मैं अलग से कर देता हूँ. यहाँ से I am picking that one, starting this. Removed over here. Now which element you want to search that is absent? Give me any number. बताइए जल्दी से.
44.
Okay, you want to find 44. Let's start. So again we have to find middle, that will be 4, and that middle element will be 39. Now your element is 44. So 44 compare 44 with 39, and your 44 is larger than middle element. That means 44 will be, right? I'm not saying exactly it is, but will be in right half of given array, right? So 44 will be in the right half of given array. That means right half copy कर लेते हैं. So that is this one, right half. This is right half. 39 is at this place, so this is right half. So
Yes, sir.
right. So according to this search area, now we have to find again first, last, middle, and then compare. We will change it accordingly. Now my first is 5, last is 9, x is 44. Okay, so 5 plus 9 by 2, again it will be 7, and the element will be 81. Middle element will be 81, right? So middle element is now 81. So now you have to compare your 44 with 81. Compare 44 with 81, because now middle element is 81. Now 44 is smaller than middle element. 81, right? So it will be in the left half. Smaller, है ना? This is smaller, so 44 will be in the left half of the given array, right? What is left half? This is left half. We'll copy this. Left half means this. With respect to your middle element, you have to find right and left half. Okay, so this is your left half, right? 54, 78. This is left half.
सर
Yes.
सर आपने 39 को कंपेयर किया 44 से, सर फिर इंक्रीमेंट किया, सर फिफ्थ एलिमेंट कहाँ कंपेयर हुआ उसके साथ 44 से?
Which fifth element?
सर 54.
This is binary search. Every time you have to compare with the middle element only.
54 के साथ कंपैरिजन नहीं होगा सर?
Why 54 will be compared? 54 is middle element.
नो सर.
81 is middle element, right?
यस सर.
Okay, we have started with the problem. Every time that element we want to search is compared with the middle element of given array. So first time, any element you want to search, any element, first time it will be compared with 39, right? If your element is larger, then it will be compared with 81. If your element is smaller, it will be compared with 6. Because they are the corresponding middle elements of left array and right array.
सर अगर 54 की जगह 44 हो तब?
If it is 44, then that example I have already told you about. If there was a 99, then you have understood that thing. Same thing is there. Suppose instead of 44, you are searching 54. Then that will be found at that place. Isn't it? How you have got your answer 99 correctly? First you have compared with 39, then you have compared with 81, then you have compared with 92. Ultimately only single element left with that, and that was 99. Similarly, in case of, suppose it is 44 that you are going to search. Suppose this is 44. So 44 will be first compared with 39, right? It will come to the right half. Okay, right half will be in front of you. Then now your 44 will not be compared with this 44. You have to compare with 81. You will left with these two elements. You have to find middle of these 5 and 6. Obviously 5 plus 6 divided by 2 is 5 again. So middle element will be 44. Right? You are comparing with 44 because 44 has become middle element at any cost. Anyhow.
सर.
Yes.
तो जब ये 7 पे आएगा 81 तो वो 44 से छोटा हो तो फिर वो सर लेफ्ट साइड में जाने लगेगा.
Obviously.
ओके सर, क्लियर.
This left side and right side movement is on the basis of their comparison with middle element. If element is larger, then it will start traversing on right side, right half, and within that right half, again you will find middle element. If suppose now your element is smaller than middle half, then it will go to the left of that array. Right? So here you are searching 44. So 44 has been searched in the next iteration in this half. This is right half, obviously, because 44 is larger than 39. So we will search about 44 in this area. So then this area is with us, but procedure is same. Again, in this area, we will find middle element. Compare our element 44. Now my 44 is smaller than middle element 81, right? So it will be in the left half. Even 44 is absent, but searching procedure will not modify. It will carry on. So now we have got these two elements, and according to these two elements, we have to calculate again our these three things, that is F, L and mid. So F is 5, L is 6, and X is 44 that we are going to search. Then this 6, so this will be 5, 11.5 integer division. And what is A5? A5 is 54. A5 is, sorry, A5 is 54, right? A5 is 54. Okay, right? Now when A5 is 54, now you have to compare 44 with 54. Now compare 44 with 54. That is 44 is smaller than middle element 54. That is true. 54. So 44 must be in the left half of the given array, right? अब left half है कहाँ इसका? ग्रेटर होगा? अरे कौन बोल के चला गया?
44 से बड़ा होगा ना सर?
अरे
बड़ा कहाँ होगा, छोटा ही होगा।
तुम ध्यान से देखो, ये हमारे सिंबल गड़बड़ हो गए हैं। कंपेयर 44 विद 54, ठीक है? और होगा क्या? 44 इज स्मॉलर देन 54।
ठीक है।
अरे कैसी बात कर दी, गणित भूल गए बाइनरी सर्च में आके। पता चला डिजाइन एनालिसिस ऑफ एल्गोरिथम में गए तो वहाँ नंबर ही भूल गए, हम पहचानते नहीं 5 कैसे बनता है। फिर से पढ़ेंगे, ऐसा ना करो भाई, हो जाता है कई बार। चलिए, so 44 in the left half of the given array, ठीक? तो अब अगर लेफ्ट हाफ ऑफ द गिवन एरे में है, तो अब हमें वो गिवन एरे तो दिख नहीं रहा है, क्योंकि 54 के लेफ्ट में तो कुछ है ही नहीं, राइट में 78 है, लेफ्ट में तो कुछ नहीं है ना? लेकिन हम ये जानते हैं अब फॉर्मूला कि जब भी हम किसी मिडिल एलिमेंट के लेफ्ट एरे में जाते हैं, तो हमारा एफ और एल में क्या चीज चेंज होती है? लेफ्ट में जाते हैं तो क्या चीज चेंज होती है एफ और एल में से? तो पहले हमने F0 लिया, सपोज L9 लिया, राइट? X44 था तो हम राइट में गए, तो F चेंज हुआ। अरे सुनो भाई, सुनो, पूछ क्या रहे हैं तुम, पहले ना बोलो, सुन लो पहले, हैं? F देखिए, शुरुआत में हम सर्च कर रहे थे 44, ठीक है? हमारे पास ये पूरी लिस्ट थी। अब इस पूरी लिस्ट में हमने मिडिल एलिमेंट से कंपेयर किया। अभी तो हमें गिवन है F की वैल्यू 0 है, L की वैल्यू 9 है और X की वैल्यू 44 है। अब 44 हमारा 39 से बड़ा है, तो हम गए राइट हाफ में, तो एरे तो आ गया हमारे पास, ठीक है? अब पहले F0 था, L9 था, अब F कितना हो गया? 5, और L तो अभी भी वही है। बात समझे? तो पहले F और L क्या थे और अब F और L क्या है? तो पहले F0 और L9 था, अब जो F है वो है मिड +1 और 9। जब हम राइट हाफ में जाते हैं तो जो फर्स्ट इंडेक्स है वो बदलता है राइट हाफ में जाने पर, ठीक बात है? और जब लेफ्ट हाफ में आएंगे तो क्या बदलेगा? लास्ट इंडेक्स बदलेगा, ठीक है? अब देखिए यहाँ अगली बार में हुआ भी है, क्योंकि 44 को फिर हमने 81 से कंपेयर किया, 44 छोटा है तो लेफ्ट हाफ में जाना है। लेफ्ट हाफ में जाना है तो पहले तो F और L 5 और 9 थे, अब F और L क्या हो गए? 5 और 6। सो F वही है, लेफ्ट हाफ में आने पर F वही है, L कितना हो गया? मिड -1 लेफ्ट हाफ में आने पर। बात समझे? किसी को डाउट हो तो बताएं। राइट हाफ में जाने पर F will be changed to mid +1 and going to left half L will be changed and it will be mid -1, ठीक है? तो यहां पर अब क्या बोल रहे हैं? 44 is smaller than 54, that means it should be on the left half. So if we are going to left half, then what will be changed? F will be changed or L will be changed? L will be changed, so F will remain same 5, but L must be mid -1, ठीक है ना? L must be mid -1, मिड माइनस 1 यानी कितना? ठीक है, ठीक है ना। पहले से मिड क्या था पिछली बार वाले में? जस्ट पिछले वाले इटरेशन से ही तो आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। जब हम 44 सर्च कर रहे हैं तो 44 हमारा 54 के लेफ्ट में पड़ना चाहिए। हमारे पास कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है, बट हम कैलकुलेट तो करेंगे ना कि एफ क्या है और एल क्या है। और जब भी हम किसी एलिमेंट को सर्च करते हैं और वो लेफ्ट हाफ में आता है, तो वो उसके पहले जो इटरेशन हो चुका है उसके कंपैरिजन में अब क्या बदलता है? एल बदलता है। ठीक, सो एल बदल गया। एल क्या हो गया? मिड माइनस 1, दैट इज 5 माइनस 1 एंड दैट इज 4। तो अब ये केस कैसा आ गया जिसमें एफ की वैल्यू एल से ज्यादा है? इसका मतलब है एलिमेंट इज
एब्सेंट
एंड सर्च स्टॉप। या तो एलिमेंट मिले तब तो हम बताएंगे और वो एलिमेंट सर्च स्टॉप करेंगे, या फिर ऐसा केस बन जाए जब एफ की वैल्यू एल से बड़ी हो जाए। क्योंकि हमेशा हम लेफ्ट टू राइट चल रहे हैं और हमेशा एफ की वैल्यू एल से कम होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि हमने इनिशियलाइजेशन में लिया है भाई। एफ की वैल्यू को 0 से इनिशियलाइज किया था, एन एल की वैल्यू को लास्ट एलिमेंट से लिया था। कितने लोगों को समझ में नहीं आया भाई बताएं, तो दोबारा से कोई एलिमेंट लेकर के बताया जाए। या समझ में आ गया है तो वेरी गुड, प्रोग्राम बनाए। बताइए, किसी को कुछ डाउट है? अटेंडेंस हो गई, भाग गए कुछ लोग। बताइए कहाँ पर डाउट है। इस न्यूमेरिकल को क्लियर करिए पहले, तभी प्रोग्राम समझ आएगा, नहीं तो प्रोग्राम में कुछ समझ नहीं आएगा। देखिए प्रोसीजर क्या है। सबसे पहले एक एरे गिवन है हमको, एक एलिमेंट गिवन है। एरे गिवन है तो उसके इंडेक्सेस भी गिवन होंगे। इंडिसेस गिवन है तो उसका पहला इंडेक्स गिवन है, लास्ट इंडेक्स गिवन होगा। तो फर्स्ट इंडेक्स को एफ में रख लिया, लास्ट इंडेक्स को एल में। वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड मिडिल, सो मिडिल इज इक्वल टू एफ प्लस एल डिवाइड बाई 2। सो जो भी एलिमेंट हम सर्च कर रहे हैं उसको मिडिल एलिमेंट से कंपेयर करेंगे। सो यहाँ एफ प्लस एल बाई 2 करने से जो भी इंडेक्स आया उस इंडेक्स पर जो भी एलिमेंट है वो मिडिल है, तो 39 मिडिल है, राइट। सो 39 से 44 को कंपेयर किया तो 44 बड़ा है। इसका मतलब है कि जो हमारा एलिमेंट है वो राइट हाफ में होगा, राइट हाफ में होगा। तो ये एरे है, अब इसके लिए एफ और एल क्या होंगे? अब यहाँ पर एफ क्या हो जाएगा? मिडिल प्लस 1, क्योंकि आप मिडिल के राइट में चले गए ना। तो एफ हो गया यहाँ पर। इसके केस में हम कह सकते हैं यहाँ पर कि जो ये 5 आया है ये कैसे आया है? ये आया है मिड प्लस 1 करने से। एल वही रहेगा जो पहले था, पहले एल 9 था जब पूरी एरे गिवन थी, अब जब आधी एरे गिवन है तब भी एल 9 है, क्योंकि हम राइट साइड में आए हैं। ठीक, अब इसका मिडिल निकालेंगे जो गिवन एरे है। इसका मिडिल कितना मिलेगा? 7, एलिमेंट मिलेगा 81। नाउ 44 इज स्मॉलर देन 81। सो अब मिडिल के लेफ्ट में हमको सर्च करना है। सो मिडिल के लेफ्ट में हमारे पास क्या एलिमेंट्स हैं? 54 और 78। सो अब हमारे एफ और एल कैसे मॉडिफाई होंगे? मिडिल के लेफ्ट में गए हैं, मिडिल कितना था? 7। जस्ट पिछला वाला इटरेशन देखना है, शुरुआत का नहीं, सबसे पहला नहीं, जो जस्ट पिछला वाला। सो जस्ट पिछले वाले में मिडिल था 7 और आप लेफ्ट में आए हो, लेफ्ट में आए हो तो एल चेंज हो जाएगा। एल क्या होगा यहाँ पर? ये मिडिल -1। राइट साइड में जाते हैं तो फर्स्ट बदलता है मिडिल प्लस 1 से, गिवन एरे के राइट साइड में, राइट हाफ पोर्शन में। अगर लेफ्ट हाफ पोर्शन में आते हैं तो एल बदलता है मिडिल -1 से। ठीक, हमने सर्च किया मिडिल -1, 6, 5 plus 6, इसका मिडिल वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड एंड वी हैव फाउंड दैट मिडिल इज दिस 54, राइट। 5 है मिडिल, तो 54 एलिमेंट है। अब आपको तो मिडिल से कंपेयर करने से मतलब है और कुछ नहीं करना है। तो 44 इज कंपेयर्ड विद 54, 44 इज स्मॉलर, so 44 should be to the left of middle again। एंड फिर हम अगर लेफ्ट पर जाते हैं तो क्या चेंज होता है? एल चेंज होता है, एल होता है मिड -1। तो यहाँ पर देखें मिड -1, what was mid earlier? Earlier it was 5, now it will be 5 - 1, 4। Now there is a case where your f is larger, है ना, larger than L. That means violation of array index. ये array index का violation है, और अगर ऐसा हुआ है तो इसका मतलब है कि वो सर्च एरिया एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता है और ये नॉन वायलेटेड, नॉन एलिजिबल है इसके लिए, अब इसको आगे सर्च करने की जरूरत नहीं है। क्लियर है एकदम? प्रोग्राम पे चलें। कोई बोल नहीं रहा है, इसका मतलब है कि पता नहीं समझ में आया कि नहीं। बताओ भाई, और किसको क्या, कहाँ पर क्या डाउट है, जल्दी बताएं। जो लोग पढ़ रहे हो, जागे हुए हो, जो नींद में हो तो नींद में बाइनरी सर्च हो जाएगी, सपने में समझ लेना।
नहीं है सर डाउट।
अच्छा
सर आ गया समझ में।
ठीक, तो प्रोग्राम पर चले बेटा, क्योंकि प्रोग्राम इसका थोड़ा ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है और उसको अच्छे से करना है। हालांकि कोई डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, उसी तरह से करेंगे। अब देखिए, मैं इसी प्रोग्राम को चेंज कर दूं जो लीनियर सर्च वाला बनाया था। अभी शेयर कर रहा हूँ स्क्रीन, जस्ट अ मिनट। Okay, right, screen is shared with you and MS Word is also there. If you have any doubt, you can discuss me in between, also you can interrupt, right? Now L की जगह B कर दें, bin सर्च कर दें, bin s, ये बाइनरी सर्च के लिए है। Suppose array is given, size of array is given, x is given, things are same, but within this we have to do differently, right? Okay. Z flag variable, let it be. So now what we have to start with, few more variables are required, like first element f, last element l, mid element middle, right? ये तो हमें चाहिए ही चाहिए, कैलकुलेट करने पड़ेंगे f, l, mid, right? And what will be in f? F will be 0. What will be in l? L will be, बताइए जल्दी से, l क्या होगा?
S-1.
वेरी गुड, S-1, यही एक्सपेक्टेड था, ऐसे ही बताया करें। वेरी गुड। तो अब हमें जो लूप चलाना है, मान लिया कि वो व्हाइल लूप है, तो फॉर से भी बना सकते हैं। कंडीशन क्या है हमारी, जिस पर ये एब्सेंस शो हुई थी, दैट इज द कंडीशन। सो दिस searching will be continued until we'll get any element present, then our search will be stopped, or this index violation will be done. And index violation will be done only if your f is larger than l. So that means condition should be f should be less than l. While f is less than l, our search will continue. We will get our element by comparing with the middle one, right? So now within this we have three cases. What are these cases? So first we have to compare if x equal to a mid. We have got our element, right? We have got our element. That means I have done here z is equal to, sorry, z is equal to 1. I have done here. Any doubt, Adnan Ahmed? Okay.
नो सर।
Okay. म्यूट रखो बेटा। z इक्वल टू 1 कर दिया एंड ट्रैक कर दिया यहाँ से, ठीक है। whatever mid you have found and you have done this, but before that you have to calculate mid, and that I have not done. Mid is equal to f plus l divided by 2. Are you getting this point? First we have to calculate mid, then only we can apply a condition, right? F and L are initialized. F is initialized with 0, S is this, right? Okay, right? Then else if my x is suppose larger than mid, sorry, a mid, this is element, right? it is index. Keep this in mind, right? So my x is greater than a mid. So what will be changed? F will be changed or L will be changed?
L will be changed.
Your x is greater than a mid.
F change होगा.
Your element is greater than middle element. Then F will be changed or L will be changed?
F will be changed.
F change होगा.
Right? Remember. So my F will be changed. F will be mid plus 1. Okay. And L's part, what will be changed? L. That will be mid minus 1.
Mid minus 1. Minus 1.
Else part will automatically take the opposite of this condition. X is less than a mid. That means X element is, that element we want to search is smaller than the middle element. And if it is smaller, then we will searching in the left side portion. Right? So here I can write search in right half. Right? Okay. And here I'll write search in left half. In left half, L will be changed. Okay, so that is done over here. Then after that, what we have to do, just then now how I can print that place? This I will be replaced by
Mid.
very good. I will be replaced by mid. Are you getting this point? I will be replaced by mid. Otherwise, element is absent. बन गया ना? बताइए कहीं कोई डाउट हो तो? Sorry, इसको थोड़ा सा इधर कर दें. This if has 2 elements. Right? This is while closed. This is function closed, and here I have to call that b bin s, right? ये है ना? This is the name of function that I have to call here. Bin s, and now my elements were different. Right, array I have to change here because according to my this MS Word, my numbers are different. So I'll initialize here different series. Series is 3, 6, 11, 24, 39, now what was there? 39 after 39, 54, 78. Right. 54, 78, 81, 92, 99. And I am searching for 6 and 99 and 44, right? You have told me 44. Anything else? See again entire code, then I'll run it. This is binary search. We have started with integer I, f0, ls minus 1, mid z0, right? So while f is less than l, we'll continue our search, and whenever f will be greater than l, right? Even I should write here f less than or equal to l, right? Then also I should continue, है ना? F less than or equal to l, or I can write here. No, that thing, same thing. Is this correct? F less than or equal to l. Then it should be continued, na? Because there is only single element. Then f and l will be same. Let me execute this. Something is wrong. Name of
Sir,
function.
size 10 होगा.
Huh?
5
Oh
की
yes,
जगह 10
size.
होगा
Okay,
sir.
size. Size will be 10 now. Yes, I have modified it. Even size is not a problem. Problem is something else. Name of the function is okay. Yes, bins. Bins. Let me see error if it comes. Yes, it is coming. Something curly brace or something else is missing. Main close. Main is not closed. Yes. Now I have executed it again. So first element 6 will be found at second place, 99 will be found at 10th place, and 44 is absent, must be printed according to this. Output has obtained. Element 6 is present. I'm sharing that screen if it is not visible. Element 6 is present at second place, 2th place, 99 is present at 10th place, and 44 is absent. Anybody has any doubt? Any other kind of input you want me to enter or express you? Anything else you want to understand? Anything doubtful? There are multiple ways to represent this thing. I can use return statement also. Can you make this program without using flag and return? Yes, it can be made. Otherwise आप इसका पहले वो ले लो स्क्रीनशॉट प्रोग्राम का, या आपने नोट किया हो तो नोट कर लो. नीचे तो सब सेम है, वैसा ही है जैसा बाइनरी में था. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. ले लिया बेटा? स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया या नोट कर लिया हो तो नोट कर लो.
हो गया सर.
हो गया. अच्छा
सर एक सेकंड थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर दीजिए.
अच्छा बेटा. कहीं कोई डाउट हो तो पूछ लीजिए, कोड में पूछ लीजिए कि सर ये क्यों लिखा है, ऐसा क्यों लिखा है, या कहीं भी आपने मिस किया हो एग्जाम्पल में या न्यूमेरिकल में, तो यहाँ पर पूछ लीजिए. I'm going to one more change over here, right? After 5 minutes class will be finished. Okay, I'm going to change one change because this is a function, so I'm using here property of return and removing that flag property. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, first I have removed z. There is no more z over here. So if there is no more z, that means this is not necessary, and I am writing here that element presence part. I'm writing here elements presence part. So element percent d is present at percent d place. Okay, and break will be done, right? Then else if f mid +1, else this, right? These things are there, and then now yeah, we'll do this. Write printf only, because this printf will be executed only when you are out of the while loop. Okay, and while loop will be terminated only when this condition will be false. If this condition is false and while is normally terminated, right? Break is early exit, right? So instead of break, now I am going to return, right? So when your element is equal to middle element, so you have printed. statement and you will return out of the function immediately. Right? When you are out of the function, then there is no need of executing any statement written after this. And if you are not out of the function, that means you are within while loop, right? And within while loop, every time you are executing, and you are never reaching to this x equal to middle part, then and on that case, your condition will be failed. Your condition will be failed, then this printf will run. Have you got this logic? Is this
Yes, sir.
correct? I think this is more efficient logic if you are using with functions. This is no z flag variable and nothing else. Only return keyword is playing its role, and that is very important. One more thing I want you people to do at your own, that is use recursion concept for linear search and for binary search. Note down it somewhere. See, answer is again same. 6 is at second place, 99 is 10th place, 44 is absent. So try to solve these linear search and binary search using recursion, right? If time will allow, then I'll tell you solutions. Otherwise, you can solve it at your own, because now you know logic of linear search, logic of binary search, right? And you know recursion also, logic of recursion. So try to apply this, because we are doing these things using loop iteration, convert it into recursion. Even binary search is not so much straightforward to apply recursion, but linear search is. You can go with linear search at your own, and binary search you can see solution from some place. Now, anybody has any doubt in this code, in this program, that modified code? You should take snapshot of this one also. Taken? Or you can note down it without using flag variable. Okay, so let's stop our class now. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. Attendance, who was that student? Devyansh Pal, right? Okay.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर
हाँ,
सर अमन हुसैन प्रेजेंट है सर उस समय मेरा मोबाइल स्विच ऑफ हो गया था इसलिए
okay.
टाइम से ज्वाइन
Okay, Aman Hussain. Okay, Aman Hussain and Devyansh Pal. Okay. I'm closing this meeting now.